I just couldn't resist but shooting just one more time. I'm shooting from my window, and this is how close this tree is to me. I call it my tree house because I always wanted a house with a tree above it, and I forgot all about it, but God gave it to me. Look how beautiful this all looks. It's just beautiful. Just lovely. Unfortunately, I'm doing this through the window, so if the window has a little spot, please ignore it. It is just awesome, breathtaking, serene, surreal. Cleaned up my stairs a little bit, but it kept snowing, but it's doable. And the plow keeps coming. Oh, thank God he's pushing it in the other direction. Next swipe is going to be in my direction, that's for sure. So that means I got to go back out there, and I'm a little, maybe you could see from here, my car, see? So now he's going to come, he's going to push more snow toward me, and I got to go back out there before it gets hard so I won't be trapped. And I put a garbage can behind my car so he will come too close with the snow. Oh my goodness. I want to film him. He's going to come back any second. Look how beautiful the trees, the pine trees across the street. You could hardly even see the house with all the trees. How beautiful. How awesome you are, Lord. Even the enemy wants to copy you. You only allow him but so much. But so much. Yeah, I think I gotta clean my window a little bit. It's not that bad, but... So where's the truck? It's taking a while over there. I'm gonna freeze it. I wonder if I could shoot those trees next door. You could see some of it through the window up to there. Even the electric lines, the telephone poles are covered in snow. And we know that man's trying to imitate nature. So all the enemy could do is try to imitate. You can't create. God allows him to ruin things. Basically, we're under judgment. That's why things aren't so perfect. They went from the perfect Adam to the Adam coming and dying at the cross for our sins. The cross of Calvary to redeem us from what the first Adam did. Except it's not a automatic turn. It's a gruesome experience for mankind. So my car is down there. Garbage can's right behind it. So when the shovel comes, hopefully they'll try not to come too close. So I'll have a little wiggle room there with my car to clean it. Won't go under my tires. That's really what I'm trying to protect. So here comes the snow plow again. I called it a shovel earlier. And boom, boom. All right, so now I gotta clean that up because now I got a little pile there. I am amazed that I was able to shovel regarding my wrist that is still healing from having been broken, and it's not flexible at all, and it's that hand, which is left hand, is very, very, very weak. I am shocked that God enabled me to clean up some of the snow, clean up my car, move it to the front, and cover it so that way I don't have to clean it out. So I am really in shock, and I'm not in pain. My back would have normally hurt, but it's not hurting. I'm out by my window. I put an ice pack just in case, but Yeah, you see my little A-frame there with a lot of snow there to the side, to the left. I am surprised I'm not in pain. I did put ice on my wrist and my back, but I am amazed. God amazed me. I am going to spend some time in bed. I do have to get out and shovel some more. Oh, you see the big pieces coming down? Look at that. And then there's some birds that didn't go south this year. They don't all go south. And this year, I didn't hear them grouping up and calling each other to go. I'm wondering if they know about the disaster in Florida and they decided, ain't going. I did not experience that this year. Usually, they gang up in the sky and they all gather each other. Oh, look at that. Now the snow's starting to fall. Hear that? Hear it? Snow falling. And I didn't hear the birds gathering. And I've been spending plenty of time at home nursing my arm. I just wonder if they went south. They probably got their own little forecast going where they probably perceive something's going to happen in Florida. Who knows? It usually happens at this time of year when it does, from September to November, I think. And we're in late November, 22nd. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm just enjoying the scenery. I hope you are too. It is so lovely. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed. Bye now.